The blue zones are regions in the world where people live significantly longer, healthier lives, often reaching 100 years or more. These areas include Okinawa, Japan, Sardinia, Italy, Nicoya, Costa Rica, Icaria, Greece, and the Seventh-day Adventist community in Loma Linda, California. What sets these regions apart is their diet, which is predominantly plant-based, rich in whole foods, and low in processed ingredients. Adopting Blue Zones-inspired recipes can help you incorporate these longevity-promoting principles into your life. In this article, we'll explore 7 of the top Blue Zones-inspired recipes from this year that can help you on your journey to living a longer, healthier life. Each recipe is not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients that support overall well-being. 1. Okinawan sweet potato and tofu stir-fry. Ingredients: 2 medium Okinawan sweet potatoes, peeled and cubed. 1 block of firm tofu, drained and cubed. 1 onion sliced. 1 bell pepper sliced. 2 cloves garlic minced. 2 tablespoons soy sauce. 1 tablespoon sesame oil. 1 tablespoon olive oil. 1 tablespoon fresh ginger, grated. 1 tablespoon sesame seeds. Green onions for garnish. 1. Start by boiling the sweet potato cubes until tender, which should take around 10 minutes. Drain and set aside. 2. Heat olive oil in a large pan over medium heat. Add the tofu cubes and cook until golden on all sides. Remove and set aside. 3. In the same pan, add sesame oil, garlic, and ginger, sautéing for 2 minutes until fragrant. 4. Add the onion and bell pepper, cooking until softened, about 5 minutes. 5. Return the tofu to the pan along with the boiled sweet potatoes. Stir in the soy sauce and sesame seeds, cooking for an additional 3 to 5 minutes. 6. Serve hot, garnished with green onions. Okinawan sweet potatoes are rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber, while tofu provides a solid source of plant-based protein. This dish is both filling and nutritious, supporting heart health and digestion. 2. Sardinian minestrone. Ingredients: 1 cup dried cannellini beans, soaked overnight. 2 carrots diced. 2 celery stalks diced. 1 onion chopped. 2 zucchini diced. 1 cup cabbage shredded. 2 tomatoes chopped. 1 cup barley. 4 cups vegetable broth. 2 tablespoons olive oil. 2 garlic cloves minced. Fresh parsley chopped. Salt and pepper to taste. 1. Drain and rinse the soaked beans, then cook them in water until tender, about 45 minutes. Drain and set aside. 2. In a large pot, heat olive oil over medium heat. Add the onion, carrots, celery, and garlic, sautéing until soft, about 10 minutes. 3. Add the zucchini, cabbage, tomatoes, and barley. Pour in the vegetable broth and bring to a boil. 4. Reduce heat and simmer for 30 minutes until the barley is tender. 5. Stir in the cooked beans and season with salt and pepper. Simmer for another 10 minutes. 6. Serve hot, garnished with fresh parsley. This Sardinian minestrone is a nutrient-dense soup packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals. The combination of beans, barley, and vegetables supports heart health and aids in weight management. 3. Nicoyan black bean and rice bowl. Ingredients: 1 cup black beans cooked. 1 cup brown rice cooked. 1 onion chopped. 1 red bell pepper chopped. 2 garlic cloves minced. 1 teaspoon cumin. 1 teaspoon paprika. 2 tablespoons olive oil. Fresh cilantro chopped. Lime wedges for serving. Salt and pepper to taste. 1. In a large pan, heat olive oil over medium heat. Add the onion, bell pepper, and garlic, sautéing until soft, about 5 minutes. 2. Stir in the cumin and paprika, cooking for an additional 2 minutes. 3. Add the cooked black beans and rice to the pan, mixing well to combine. Cook until heated through, about 5 minutes. 4. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Serve in bowls topped with fresh cilantro and lime wedges. This dish is high in protein, fiber, and essential vitamins, making it a balanced meal that supports energy levels and digestive health. 4. Icarian greens and beans stew. Ingredients: 1 cup cannellini beans soaked overnight, 1 bunch kale chopped, 1 bunch spinach chopped, 1 onion chopped, 3 cloves garlic minced, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 teaspoon dried oregano, 4 cups vegetable broth, lemon wedges for serving, salt and pepper to taste. 1. Drain and rinse the soaked beans, then cook in water until tender, about 45 minutes. Drain and set aside. 2. In a large pot, heat olive oil over medium heat. Add the onion and garlic, sautéing until soft, about 5 minutes. 3. Add the kale and spinach, cooking until wilted, about 5 minutes. 4. Stir in the cooked beans, oregano, and vegetable broth. Bring to a boil, then reduce heat and simmer for 20 minutes. 5. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Serve hot, with lemon wedges on the side. This Icarian stew is rich in fiber, antioxidants, and plant-based protein, promoting heart health and reducing inflammation. 5. Loma Linda lentil and vegetable stew. Ingredients: 1 cup lentils rinsed, 1 onion chopped, 2 carrots diced, 2 celery stalks diced, 2 potatoes diced, 2 garlic cloves minced, 4 cups vegetable broth, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 teaspoon thyme, 1 bay leaf. Salt and pepper to taste. 1. In a large pot, heat olive oil over medium heat. Add the onion, carrots, celery, and garlic, sautéing until soft, about 10 minutes. 2. Add the lentils, potatoes, thyme, bay leaf, and vegetable broth. Bring to a boil. 3. Reduce heat and simmer for 30-40 minutes until the lentils are tender. 4. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Serve hot. Lentils are a powerful source of plant-based protein and fiber, making this stew excellent for digestive health and supporting a balanced diet. 6. Sardinian chickpea and spinach sauté. Ingredients: 1 can chickpeas, drained and rinsed, 1 bunch spinach, washed and chopped, 3 cloves garlic, minced, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 teaspoon paprika, salt and pepper to taste. Lemon wedges for serving. 1. In a large pan, heat olive oil over medium heat. Add the garlic and paprika, sautéing until fragrant, about 2 minutes. 2. Add the chickpeas and cook until slightly crispy, about 5 minutes. 3. Stir in the spinach and cook until wilted, about 3 minutes. 4. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Serve hot, with lemon wedges on the side. This dish is high in protein, fiber, and iron, making it a great option for supporting heart health and maintaining energy levels. 7. Nicoyan avocado salad. Ingredients: 2 ripe avocados, diced, 1 cucumber, sliced, 1 tomato, chopped, 1 red onion, thinly sliced, 1 lime, juiced, fresh cilantro, chopped, salt and pepper to taste. 1. In a large bowl, combine the avocado, cucumber, tomato, and red onion. 2. Drizzle with lime juice and season with salt and pepper. 3. Toss gently to combine and garnish with fresh cilantro. Avocados are a fantastic source of healthy fats and essential nutrients. This refreshing salad is not only delicious but also promotes heart health and provides a variety of vitamins and minerals. Incorporating Blue Zone-inspired recipes into your diet is a great way to incorporate the longevity principles that have helped people in these areas live long and healthy lives. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss out on future content.